All right, for the fractional exponents, we started this and I went over it with most of your classes, but when we have a fraction that does not have a denominator of 3 or 2, I knew that was going to happen. So again, when we have a denominator that is not 3 or 2, we cannot write it using the radicals right here because they only give us the index of 3 or 2. You can see in this one the denominator is 4, so we're not going to be able to rewrite it that way. So for these problems, we need to just write this as two different fractions. So the way we're going to do this is write your base, z. Whatever your numerator is, that's going to stick with the base. So z to the power 3. Leave all of that in parentheses. And then you want to raise this to a fraction where 4 is at the bottom. Okay, and when there's nothing left on top, we just write that as 1. And if you were to check yourself, you could work backwards using power of a power rule. So 3 times 1/4 is still 3 over 4. So this is how we need to write that in. So to do that, you need to be super, super careful with your parentheses. So type your parentheses, push z. It has to be lowercase, otherwise it's going to count it wrong. Select this so that you can write the exponent. So again, that 3 is what we're going for. And then outside of your parentheses, you need to make sure you're clicking outside. Hit this button again, and then type that 1/4 in parentheses also. If you don't type it in parentheses, you're not going to be able to put it in. Okay, and then you should be good to go. So let me know if that helped or if you're still getting ones that are weird.